In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Gmail app waiting for sync issue in a simple and effective way. If your Gmail is stuck, not updating, or messages are taking forever to appear, this guide will help you get things working again. This is a common problem, and in many cases, it comes down to a browser or data setting that is stopping Gmail from syncing properly. So stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to change. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device because one of the most important things to check is whether your browser is allowed to save site data on your device. Gmail depends on this in many cases to stay synced correctly. Once Chrome is open, click the three dot menu in the top right corner, then go down to Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Privacy and Security, and then click Site Settings. This section controls how websites store information and how your browser handles permissions. Now scroll through the site settings until you find the option related to data storage or site data. Make sure sites are allowed to save data on your device. If this is blocked, Gmail may not be able to store the information it needs, and that can easily cause the waiting for sync message to keep coming back. If you see any restriction here, change it so Chrome can save site data normally. After that, it's a good idea to refresh Gmail and check if the sync issue is gone. If it still says waiting for sync, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, old or corrupted cache files can interfere with Gmail loading correctly and can prevent synchronization from working the way it should. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command Shift and Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure you select cached images and files, and also cookies and other site data. These two options are often the ones that most directly affect Gmail syncing problems. If you want, you can also choose a time range like all time for the cleanest reset, especially if the issue has been happening for a while. Once everything is selected, click Clear Data. After the cleanup finishes, close and reopen Chrome, then go back to Gmail and sign in again if needed. This gives Gmail a fresh start without the old stored files causing problems in the background. In many cases, just these two steps are enough to fix the Gmail app waiting for sync issue and get your inbox updating normally again. If it is still not working, double check that Chrome is not blocking cookies, that your internet connection is stable, and that Gmail is allowed to refresh in the background. But for most users, allowing site data and clearing the cache solves the problem fast. So to recap, first make sure Chrome is allowed to save site data on your device, then clear the browser cache and cookies, and finally reload Gmail to test the sync. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.